Okay, so on this one, I already have the numbers in order from this chart from least to greatest. So you might want to pause the video if you didn't try this one on your own. Go ahead and pause the video, get your numbers in order, numerical order, and then come back to the video so we can take it from here. All right, these are number of losses. So it says refer to the table above. It shows the regular season games lost by each professional baseball team in the National League in 2001. So we're going to find the 5-number summary. All right, so we started with putting our numbers in order. And then what we need to do is we need to find our median number. All right, so if you will work your way into the center, just kind of one number at a time from each side, you can see that you actually have 2 numbers in the center. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and split them into their quartiles. Okay, kind of make that easier. And then we can start now with finding the median here. So we're looking for the median of 76 and 80. All right, so if you think about it, you can either think about what logically is in the middle of 76 and 80. So you'd have 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So it's going to be 78. Or you can just grab your calculator and you're going to do 76 plus your 80, and then you will divide that by 2, and that will give you 78. So our median is going to be 78 here. All right, and then we are going to find the median of our lower quartile. So we can start with working from left to right, left to right, left to right. And then that leaves us with 2 numbers in the middle. So we are going to find the median here. And you can add these 2 numbers together and divide by 2. Or you can say, okay, what is the median or middle of 72 and 74, which would be 73. Okay, so that's going to be our lower quartile number. And now we'll work on the upper quartile number. So all of these here that we're working on, we're finding medians to do that. And this is going to make our box. And then our extremes will make our whiskers. All right, so if we look over here, we're going to work our way to the center. And that leaves us with these 2 numbers in the middle. So we need to find the median of 89 and 94. Okay, the middle of those 2 numbers. So we have 89 plus 94. And then we're going to divide by 2. That gives us 91 and a half. So the median here is 91 and a half. So that makes 91 and a half our upper quartile. So we have the 3 numbers that's going to make our box. And now we're looking for our extreme. So our lower extreme is going to be the smallest number in our list, which is 69. And then our upper extreme is going to be the largest number we have in our list, which is 100. Now, all of these numbers are losses. So we've got losses, 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 all the way down. All right. So now that we have our 5 numbers, we can draw our box and whisker plot. So I'm going to start with my box with my lower quartile at 73. So here's 70 and here's 75. So 71, 72, and 73 would be here. We have our median at 78. So here's 75, 76, 77, 78. Come up. Our median. Our upper quartile is 91 and a half. So here's 90, 91, 91 and a half is halfway between 91 and 92. So we'll come up and we'll make that dot. Okay, so we're going to draw our box using the lower and upper quartiles. And then draw a line here to show our median of the entire set of data. And now we're going to make the whiskers using the lower extreme, which was at 69. That would be here, just one below the 70. That will make our whisker. And then we have our upper extreme at 100. So that would be here, making this whisker. All right, let's answer our questions. Number 8, what fraction? So looking for a fraction of the data is between 73 and 78. So here's 73 and here's 78. So we know that that's going to be 25% of the data, but we want that as a fraction. So 25% is the same thing as 1/4. Okay, next one is what percent of the data is above 73 losses? So if we look at 73, we're going above. So we had 25% and 25% and 25, and that's going to give us 75%. Lastly, find the inner quartile range. So to do that, we want to focus on the box for the inner quartile range. So we want our upper quartile, which is 91.5, minus our lower quartile. So it's always Q3 minus Q1. Q1 is the lower quartile at 73. And if we put that in on our calculator, you could do 91.5 minus 73. That gives us 18.5.